How to create a DBA, also called assumed name, under your existing entity with the Texas Secretary of State. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create your doing business as, also called DBA, with the Texas Secretary of State. So the information included in this video for informational purposes only. This information is supposed to be found in nature. Before your formation, first thing first, you want to go to the Secretary of State website, this general website, and make some researches about the name of your DBA. So you need to choose the right name and check the format, check the availability before you actually go ahead and start the process. So those are the sources to go and help you, and get ready for that process. So there are two main ways to file and form your new DBA with the Secretary of State of Texas. So option A, mail filing. Mail. So you're gonna mail the form. You're gonna fill out and mail the form 503 with $25 filing fee. It's gonna be a check. So you're gonna send a check. Do not send cash. Yeah. So to the Secretary of the Texas Secretary of State, PO Box 13697, Austin, Texas 78711. So this is the link to download the form 503. So you just need to copy and paste in your browser. All these links are going to be in the description part of this video. The instruction to fill out the form are going to be under this link. So the processing time for the mail filing is 5 to 10 business days. Option B, the online and the easiest and the fastest way. So via the SOSDirect. So the processing time here is 2 to 5 business days, roughly. The next steps will walk you through the online filing process. So stay connected. Step 1, 0. Log into your SOS account, the one you created when establishing your existing LLC, S corporation, or whatever is your entity name type. So you will go copy this link and tap into your browser, and you will land on this page. And you're going to fill out the SOSDirect user ID here and your password, and then you're going to click on submit. So if you don't have an account, I don't know why you should not have an account, because you already have an existing LLC. So sometimes this gets messed up because the person that is trying to create a DBE is not the same person that created the existing LLC. So but anyway, whatever is the situation and the reason why you don't have the account information to log in, you're gonna come here on request. You're gonna click on request for SOSDirect account and create the account, right? But there is a video I made showing step by step how to do that. So you're gonna go on my channel and you're gonna find for the step by step how to form and file your business entity with the Texas Secretary of State. And you're going to watch that video. In that video, I describe how to go through the creation of your account. If that's it, let's move to step number 2. Take note. So when you log into your account, right? So you log into your SOSDirect account, you're going to land on this page. When you land in this page, you're going to see the name of your existing LLC here, the existing LLC that you're going to create the DBA under, right? So I want you to take note of your session code here. So, and then you're going to click on business organization. Next, I want you to take note of your file number. I want you to look, get your file number from your certificate of filing or the certificate of formation of your existing LLC, right? And I want you to get the file number. So on your existing, this is how your existing certificate of filing is going to look like, right? Your name of the existing LLC is going to be here, and then the file number is going to be here. This is the number we need for the next step. So when you click on business organization, you're gonna land on this page. So, and this is gonna be an opportunity for you to check the name availability search. This is also another option. This is the the way to check it. So in this page, you have many options. You have many tasks that can be performed here. So you can find the availability of the name of your new DBA that you are looking for, or a new LLC, or any type of entity, and all these services that are available. You can use them, right? Then you're gonna come here. This is where you're gonna enter the filing name that you got from your certificate of formation. All right. You're gonna type the name here under change document. You're gonna type the name here, and then you're gonna click on file document. When you click on file document, it's gonna take you to this page where you're gonna have to select the correct filing type, certificate of assumed business name. So it's gonna be here. Here is gonna be the name of the existing LLC or entity. Here, the file number that you just have, you're gonna see it here as well. So you can also look up your entity by the name, but this is the easiest way. If you have the file number, you can just type it and it's gonna take you here. But anyway, when you come here, you come on filing type, you click here, it's going to give you all these options, and then you're going to choose certificate of assumed business name. You're going to click there, and then here, you're going to enter your new DBA name, right? The DBA name that you chose, you're going to put it here. Make sure you love it, you like it, and it has gone through the screening process that I mentioned at the beginning. All right. You don't want to have a name that is going to be the same with, an existing name on social media, on Google, on YouTube, on uh, all type of social media. You have to make sure that that name is not there or something similar. Right. So when that is done, click on continue. It's going to take you here. This is where you're going to set the period of use that DBA, or the existing time. So how long do you want the DBA to be to exist? If you leave it blank, it's gonna automatically start the date that you are filing this, and it's gonna be 10 years. If you put 10 here, it's gonna be the same. It's gonna be 10 years starting the same day. If you wanna put a variation, so you wanna put a start and end date, you can put it here. So if you start February 26th, for example, and end, expire, I don't know, February 2030, that's possible. It's going to be just 4 years, right? Okay. But anyway, you can just put it here. Or you can just put 5. If you just need to exit for 5 years, you can just put it here, 5, and click continue. So this is where you're going to select the counties where your business is going to operate. But in Texas, you don't need to just select some. But if you just need few, go ahead and do it. But you don't really need to do that, because in Texas, you can just go ahead and click on all. So we always go with all, and then you click continue. Then you fill out the principal office address of that DBA. Put the information here, click continue, and then you put here you're gonna put the signature of officer, general partner, manager, representative, or attorney in fact of the entity. This is where you need to be careful. If you are looking to get your privacy, this is where you have to make sure that you are doing things the hard way. You make sure that if you have doubt, I advise you to get a professional to work with you. So we are available. If you have that here, contact us, and we're going to help you with that. For example, here, if you don't want, in general, you don't want your personal name to be on public record, because the Secretary of State of all the 50 plus states in the US are public record. So anyone can just go and get access to those information. So it's not pleasant to have your name here, because if you have an upset customer for some reason, or you have crazy people that wanna come after you, just look at your information, maybe follow you and those stuff like that, they can just come here and get it. So you want to use something like you are a holding company or a parent company name here, and make sure that it's set up in a way that the organizer of that company is the registered company, which obviously is a company, and maybe they have a designated person there that will take care of. I mean, you will use his information there, so your name is not going to appear nowhere. Anyway, again, be careful. If you don't know it, you don't know how to do it, contact us or a professional, and they will help you, or we will take care of that. And then we click on continue. So here you're gonna, it's the last page, kind of to give you a review of everything you have done. So carefully review all the information on this page. And if you are good, you can either click submit filing. If you click on submit filing, it's gonna go to the Secretary of State, and they're gonna review and approve. And once they approve, they're gonna send you an email, a message to approve, an email, a confirmation message, and then they're going to charge $25 to the credit card that you have on file. Remember, every time you sign into your SOSDirect account, they require you to put a credit card or debit card information. So if you are not good, if there's any mistake here or you want to change something here, you just click on edit filing, and it will take you back to the first step of this process so you can actually perform your changes. Next, if you obviously want to cancel or you don't want to submit it, just click on cancel. That's basically it. So the submission confirmation receipt. So once you click on submit, it's gonna send you this message to confirm that you are actually submitted. So you're gonna take note, you're gonna save this, and you know see this information. Yeah. So step 13, what happened next? So the processing time is between 2 to 5 business days typically, and you will receive an email confirmation, the filing acknowledgement, and the pull certificate downloadable. And that's it. So to track the progress, you can go to this link. Yeah, you can go to this link or this website. Just copy and paste into your browser. So after approval, you can open a bank account under the new DBA. You can apply for a business credit card. You can go and update the structure and set up your DBA the right way. So this is the excitement time. This is the gratitude time. So you need to remember that any success and victory that you have in your business and in your life in general, you have to take some time and express gratitude. And by taking some time, um, enjoying, celebrating. So this is the name. So the DBA is ready, approved. On the it will say the name. So the name of the new DBA is gonna be this. It's gonna be here, and then you say a DBA of. This is gonna be the name of your existing LLC, right? So that's it. This guy already has his business credit card approved. There you go. This is what a good process and a good personal credit will take you to. So voila. Do you also want to know how to file your entity, I mean your LLC, your S corporation with the Texas Secretary of State? In general, the process is the same across the 50 plus state in the US. So I want you to watch my video step by step how to form and file your business entity with Texas Secretary of State. If you need a copy of the form 503 with instructions, just like, subscribe, and share this video and leave a comment, and we will email it to you. So some of our services that we provide. So we provide notary public services in person, mobile, and online. So it's very convenient. Wherever you are in the world, we can get in online and take care of you. So credit repair, credit building. Always wanna emphasize that personal credit and business credit work differently. The way you build your personal credit is completely different from how you build your business credit. But the baseline here is the personal credit. So everything starts here. Trade lines. If you wanna quickly boost your credit score, this is what you're gonna use. Sometimes it can be the most basic one is the credit card. So is we can add you in an existing credit card's authorized user. Personal and business funding. Yeah, we offer personal and business funding, and that's why we do. You actually repair your credit, right? When you have a good credit, you open doors to a lot of funding. So entity formation creation, this is what we were talking about right here on this video. So we provide the services for LSC, S corporation, C corporation. So we will also tell you when is the good time to move from the LSC to the S corporation. And most in general, we want everyone, a new businessman, a new entrepreneur, to start with LLC. This is the baseline, and then you can move to S corporation, C corporation. It doesn't mean you cannot start with the S corporation, but the starting line is good with the LLC. So asset protection, we have good lawyers that we partner with, and they provide good services. Website design, we have good website design engineers. I'm one of them, but I'm so busy, so I cannot hang into my engineers group. The life insurance, oh my God, this is a gold. The IUL, Index Universal Life Insurance, is not a common life insurance. It's a hidden secret in the US. This is a type of life insurance that will provide you with benefits when you are still alive. You don't need to die before you before you take advantage of your benefit. So I strongly advise you to get a consultation with me so I can go through the IUL, explain you the good things about that and reveal the secret. The whole life is very close to the IUL. Fun expenses. This is how to contact us. You have came to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video so it can help your friends, family members, people around you, and improve their life. Let us know if you need another content like this one, and we'll make it for you. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to put them in the comment section of this video, and we will be happy to answer them. With that said, take care of yourself and see you in the next video.